Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids class name: red color, green color, red color, black color, yellow color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids first draw A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw B for ball, B for bat. Kids now draw C for cat, C for car. Kids now draw D for dog, D for doll. Kids now draw E for egg, E for elephant. Kids now draw F for fish, F for fan, and use green color. G for goat, G for grapes. Kids now draw H for hen, H for helicopter. Kids again use green color and draw I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids now draw J for joker, J for jackfruit. Kids now draw numbers. In first they draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use red color. O N E 1, 2 T W O 2, 3 T H R W 3, 4 F O U R 4, 5 F I V E 5. Kids now draw 6, the numbers of 6, and use black color. S I X 6, 7 S E V E N 7. Kids now draw 8, the numbers of 8, E I G H T 8, 9 N I N E 9, 10 T E N 10. Kids today draw A B C D E F G H I J. Numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.